So you want to break through out of that, to break the blueprint if you don't want the results you're getting. And that goes back to the mind. The good thing, the subconscious mind can be changed and can be trained by repetition. This is where affirmation comes in. This is where mantras comes in. For example, what is an affirmation? Affirmation is anything you say repeatedly. For example, when I say, you guys, you are world changers, history makers, pacesetters, I actually mean that. You are world changers. You are pacesetters. You are history makers. Now, your role is to tell it to yourself until the subconscious picks it up. Because the subconscious will only take in something after repetition, creating a habit. We usually hear it takes 30 days to create a habit. And it takes an additional 30 days to anchor it. So in total, 90 days to anchor the habit. But then you don't stop. You keep telling yourself, you are a world changer, a history maker, a pacesetter, and you're going to soar so high. Meaning, everything in your reality has to come and start aligning with this new attitude.